Students, I hope that all of you will be in the best of health and mood. Today I'll deliver lecture of English of class 8 of chapter number 4, an exhibition, ek numaish. Students, first of all I'll tell you the brief summary of the story. The whole story revolves around an exhibition which is held by the sir of the class, and students brought various things to display. Okay, now move to pre-reading. Here are three questions. First is, what is an exhibition? The answer is, a display of various items of interest at one place is called an exhibition. Second is, what do you see in the exhibition? Students, it's depend on the kinds of exhibition. For example, in an industrial exhibition we will see items produced by industries. Okay. Third is, how do you define hobby? Hobby is a work you take interest in what do in your spare or leisure time. Now students, move to learning outcomes which are mentioned here. After reading the whole story you will able to recognize all these things which are mentioned here in this box. Okay, now let's begin. First is, understand and use present perfect continuous tense. Students, first of all I'll tell you what is present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to talk about an action or actions that started in the past and continued until recently, or that continued into future. Okay, if I'll give you example, he has been working as a reporter with this news for 5 years. Okay, for point of time we will use since, and for period of time we will use for. Here 5 years mentioned, and that's why we have used here for. Okay, now second is, use for and since. I have told you earlier, for period of time we will use for, and for point of time we will use since. Second is, recognize and use new words. Third is, identify and use articles. Student, first of all I'll tell you the definition of article. What is article? Article is a kind of adjective which is always used before a noun to define it. Articles are two types. First one is indefinite articles and second is definite articles. Indefinite articles are a or an, and definite article the. Okay, now students, move to page number 20. Here I have underlined few words, and now I'll tell you the meaning of these difficult words which help you to translate the whole story by your own self. Okay, now let's start. First is enjoy, lutf, exhibition, नुमाइश, stood up, खड़ा हुआ, paintings, मुसव्वरी की तस्वीर, my own, मेरा अपना, collect, जमा करना, appreciated, तारीफ़ की या सराहा, probably, गालबन, mum, खामोश या चुप, uttered, कहा, stamps, टिकटें, popular hobby, मशहूर, मशगला, सरप्राइज, हैरानगी, anxious, बेचैन, फिक्रमंद, bring, लाना. Now students, move to page number 21. Great leaders, अजीम रहनुमा, collection, मजमुआ, coins, सिक्के, postcards, डाक कार्ड्स, appears, जाहिर होता है, all set now, सब कुछ तैयार है, excited, पुरजोश, clapped, तालियां बजाईं. Now I'll give you the answer of the questions which are mentioned here on page number 20 and 21. Okay, look at the first block question. What is Akbar's hobby? Students, Akbar's hobby is painting. Now students, move to second block question. Why did Mr. Kazi ask Saleem to bring his collection of stamps? Saleem had found no stamps in the exhibition and was mum during class discussion. Since it was very popular hobby, so the teacher asked Saleem to bring his stamps in exhibition. Now look at the third block question. Who wants to bring collection of dolls for school exhibition? The answer is Kashif wants to bring some dolls from his sister's collection in school exhibition. Last block question is, who introduced the idea of school exhibition for the students? A teacher, Mr. Kazi, introduced the idea of school exhibition to the students. Students, here are some glossary words. The meaning of these words I have told you earlier. Now your task is to learn the whole translation and the English meaning of these glossary words. Okay, and we will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.